le ithembiso mara ezenziwayo uthiyami ukuthi umuntu azariskele span nani, or is it normal? Is your Nandipha and Thabo Bester situation mhlawumbe uthi if ustand ngiyakuncanywa uyangincanywa akunanto banga-exaggerate imedia but mina nje uthando siyancanywana?
I think ukuthi okuncanywana ngoba vele alukho uthando mfethu, alukho uthando.
Yes,
alukho uthando la. Umuntu osejele ongamazi umthanda kanjani umuntu ongamazi? It's impossible. Ayikho into engangena ejele.
Yeah,
yonke into ine-access ejele.
Yeah,
Depend ukuthi ejele wasibani ubani. Ayikho into engangena ejele. I think ngihlalile nawe
angena ngevosho chief.
angaze ngakudla ukudla kwejele since ngafika eBox Bay. No, right ngize ngamithisa phakathi ejele.
Into enesex ngaphakathi into eserious. Le ndoda mfethu sishizile sidonsa amaketanga yona iyaqhama kamnandi hayi indlobe straight mfudumani.
Straight no indlobe bengayishayi mina. Ungakhohle ukuthi isister bengiWhatsApp day and night. Day and night bengiWhatsApp nale sister le. Yabo. So izinto besisiplana kahle besiqala efonini kahle dithi. You remember
nginyilanga ukuthi no ufuna ukubona nebele namhlanje.
Ayikho into bengayiboni. Futhi bekafika shaya iskate vele ekete eBrown sasibona.
Hayi mfana. Bepinga lo mthetho.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Wasondela njani akushaya.
Ayikho into stubborn njengepipi. Liwa manje hayi next week.
Yeah, definitely.
Ungatheneka off. Unuke into engathi ayizwakali.
2 seconds liwe.
Bakuthethise nje. Uyangithola?
You need to mina bengi-injector mfethu. Bengi-injector uJeff nobu Spirit. Amajalanti is the best. No. Bayawa recommend ngifuna ukutshela bayawa recommend.
Inqonyo odokotela inqonyo umama. But now uphakwa kanjani uphakwelana?
Okay, ngiphakele robbery ne. Emaphepheni ngiyadubuleka ngiyaqhawatheka.
Wadubuleka
Yeah, umaqala wami uzuyashona ku2 bayashona.
Ready or not, here I come. Angena ngevosho chief. Sanibona ndubela ngaphesheni molweni. It's about that time. We're against the wall. Your favorite podcast. You know, you could have chosen to be in many other places, but you chose to be with us today. From me to you with love. Ngintanda, you know, kali rato lela love. NgesiZulu or ngesintu bathi ngithanda ngenhliziyo nesibhono. Ngine out yami, so mangihlala ngithi out yami ngifana no scheme sami. I take ownership. Umuntu engishizile naye eBozo leBoxburg. I want us to touch any element namhlanje. Manje nimbona nangu zithi Chama Boys, zithi Mathafana, zithi sigaqaqaqe. Bekahlala nenja yami lapha uJason. Inja yami ya designer icover leni ibonayo one of these books. Nangu uhleli lapha mina ngikhulumele ngomthandazo. Ukuthi akafike la ngoba beka uDr wamajalantiya futhi uJason nethu uyabaleka akafuni kwazi next Mlindosi Shale ngiyabonga uKren
Ngiyabona njani webhoti.
Today you are on TV Vandag you are a family man. How does it feel mchana ukuthi ngibuya le from the most hopeless of places but vandag I'm a businessman ngikhuluma abantu balalele abanye baze bangicele nezithombe. What's the feeling Charlie yokuphila impilo enormal from le oyiphila?
In fact, it's a good feeling, man. It's a good feeling. Angifuni nje ukungasho, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. It's a positive feeling, man. You know, it's so nice to be recognized abantu.
Yeah.
Especially abantu be community esibuya kuyo. Ungakhodlo na scheme GP wona scheme ukuthi labantu laba abantu abasilabela. Masuke lokushini ngezinto besizenza thina ngathi. And forgetting ukuthi lezi zinto sizenze sasabantwana besisakhula by that time ngathi. Sesikhulile manje singabobhuti manje siyabona singabobaba manje sinengane sisupporters nemize sigadile manje. But that element ayikasuki. But what I love ukuthi those people, I think i-society iya ngokuya ihamba iyashintsha. I-system le bebayisebenzisa kudala ngokukhula kwabo. I think iseyashintsha manje because of once you start doing izinto as positive phambi kwabo emehlweni wabo kuba ngcono. Into abayijabulela kakhulu ke le. Yabo.
No, I saw it. I would forever be grateful and mangihlale njalo and say you want to testify ukhuluma ngento ozibonile
Yes.
ozaziyo.
Yes.
So nginobufakazi siyababona abobra Apa, abobra Sylvester. Things are changing kancane kancane because our podcast is not only to talk about our messages of the past and the dark world, the underworld, but is also to say there is life, you know, after life yokuba ukulabelwa as the black sheep of the family or ukuba a criminal.
Yes.
So where you are at the moment, ukwesiphi space no?
Yo, I'm at my happiest space, man.
Yeah.
I'm very happy, man. I'm
Yeah.
free. You know,
Uspana na kuphi?
ngiyazispana no.
Yeah.
Ngiya-freelancer no.
Yeah.
I'm running a wash and pub.
Nice one. Nice one.
Ngiya-director as well. There's something ezophuma manje ngasokudala nje which is ngilobe ngiyayishuta.
Yeah.
I think I spoke about it izolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an actor as well laphayana ngiya-director futhi kwesinye isikhathi futhi yabo ama-director ngiwashoda ngiyi-assistant director actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's few things that I'm doing man manje man scheme. Yeah, there's few things that I'm doing. I'm very much happy mfethu man. Ayikho into endlula i-happiness yakho ne-peace.
Yeah.
I'm at peace.
But now kunabantu abafew kahle kahle danyana lama conversations wami angeke abuye afana because we are so institutionalized so that we have standardized our conversations. No, yilena mayisuke ingena ejele ingena kuphi ngizongena straight prison and talk about what I know. Now kunale culture up and down underpende phansi phezulu noma ungazi ukuthi kuyiwapi nani uwe uJeffrey phakathi benibhizi ngeinsimbi neteam nebandla lenu nani. What is it about ingulube ne-gym mabafika edanyane, you know, bodybuilding and stuff baziprepare kungayiwa anywhere kusuke kwenziwani? Is it for the love or is there something thina singayazi eniyiphushayo lapha agenda?
Yazi there's this thing yokuthi angithi mawufika into that facility.
Yeah.
Ufika awazi anyone ine. I think noma nabo maqala bakho owaboshwa nabo anifakwe eselini eliwani ahlukaniswa.
Yeah.
So I think it's one of the mechanism esayisebenzisa especially mina engayispanisa ukuthi wasondela nje anyakushaya. Ngiyakushaya sure wasondela. Uyabo. Kusho ukuthi I needed ukwenza example ukuthi ekujimeni kwami ngijima ngoba ngiyasiprotecta and ngijima ngoba yazi wenza into ujike ekambeni kwesikhathi ujike soyithanda nawe.
Yeah.
So gcine so fall in love with whatever hobby le osoyiqalile phakathi. And I think futhi mentally iyasiza wena scheme iyasiza kakhulu. Mina ngisize kakhulu mina gym because of ngathi noma ngine stress manje ngafika egymini normally out yazi benginokujima 3 hours a day. Yabo.
Yeah.
So ngibuye ngisihlalile ngishawe ngihlale futhi ngigeleze yabo. But lento ngisize kakhulu because of ngiyakhohlwa into zangaphandle. Yabo ngiyakhohlwa completely nje. Ngibuya ngikhathele ngiyashawa ngiyagawula ngiyalala. Kusazi it's the next day futhi. That's how I pushed.
Was there a limit or was there a target obofuna ukuyibamba? Ngithi omunye umuntu uthi hayi mina aim yami ngifuna i6 pack. Omunye yana ngifuna ama bicep. Omunye ufuna izifuba. Niyazibiza lezi zinto ngamagama. Was there a limit or a target obunayo ukuthi angifuna ukufana no John Cena ngifuna ukufana no Batista?
Yeah. Okay. I think ukuthi ekambeni kwami ngambe ngihamba ngafika into, don't forget ngithe ngene ngijoin igym ngoba bengifuna ukuziprotect ukuthi whatever that comes close to me kumele ngiyisuse yabo. So ngadevelopa that love for igym. Mase ngenile dideng nami sengisitshela ukuthi manje okay njoba sengiqalile igym ngathi mina yazini let me push myself to a certain limit. Ngifuna cause I can't grow tall manje because ngishort vele. Now I need to grow my body. Let me see my body ukuthi ngayikhona ukustretcha until how far yabo. And ngajima mfethu you know ngajima. I think ukuthi iyo into engenza ukuthi ngikhule kakhulu ke. Futhi uyazi ke na nokuthi ekukhuleni kwami akusukuthi yazi scheme you'll never grow naturally. There's people abajima they never grow naturally. Only trees that will grow naturally phela ne.
Mele uyincedise.
Yeah, you need to mina bengi-injecta mfethu. Show ya bengi-injecta uJeff nobo Spirit yabo. Bebeza bangi-injecte. Mina amahata phakathi edanyani bewafika ngi-injecte mina. Ama steroid. That's why I was so huge.
Abuya ama steroids ejele because we understand izinto limited resources, healthcare they can only take care of kule 400 and something rand ebayinikeza isiboshwa per day for ukudla for you to be taken care of. Ayifaki lento okhuluma ngazo. Zibuya phi lezi zinto lezi? Where do we get these resources?
you know ngizosaba ukusho kodwa sengizosho manje ayikho into engangena ejele
Yeah.
yonke into ine access ejele
Yeah.
depend ukuthi ejele wazibani ubani ayikho into engangena ejele I think ngihlalile nawe
Yeah.
ngilala phansi ulala phezulu
Yeah. Yeah.
angaze ngakudla ukudla kwejele since ngafika eBoksburg ngihlele eBoksburg 5 years ngahlala eSun City 2 years 2 years 8 months
Yeah.
so angikaze skimi mina ngathi ngiyagawula igawula yasejele I've never but bengigawula ngaphandle you'd ask yourself kanjani
Yeah.
bengigawula iKFC or ngipheke besipheka sine stove sipheke
Oh, Capito.
yeah awushe ngawujampa ngihamba ngayishayela around hayi
Is it?
life
Is
mfethu
it
yabo
London?
no ikhona
Yeah.
just
Oh.
impilo ayikho right but
Yeah, okay.
uzopick up umjita
Yeah,
mfethu yabo
okay. Yeah.
so ayikho into engangeni scheme ejele yonke into ngisho ukuthi nesibhamu ejele mawufuna usifaka siyangena that's why you find ukuthi nama drugs ejele ayangena
Hey, enye episode le. Bame ngeenyawo bamisa amadlebe manje nise we
No,
zasha
no
manje.
no
I don't
right
understand.
Right ngize ngamithisa
Yeah.
phakathi ejele no ithi ngisho
Isigaba.
no ithi
Piwe.
ngisho ithi ngisho
No bengifuna uyikhulumele. No mina ngithi mawufika uthola i-stroke
Yeah.
bakukhombe ne bazofika bakutshela ukuthi nayi lengwenya bakutshele ngestory batendo lo muntu unencosi. Mara manje ngoba siyazi lento le uyathula nje. Same Jeffino, same story.
Yes.
Uzozaba lokubada akune story siso.
Yes.
Benifuna wena kube uwothini. Le access nje yami engaka. Umithisa kanjani etanyana?
yeah ngize ngamithisa ejele
Yeah, so protect umnikazi wendaba.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukumazi ubani.
no ngizomvikela yabo
Yeah.
identity yakhe angeke ngiyireveal manje
Yeah.
but safrostana nale sister ngendlela egrendi you know ukuthi manje sengidark manje yabo
Yellow bone.
bengiyelo bone umuhle yabona and I was huge yabo yeah I was very huge yabo
Yeah.
so now I think ukuthi uvelo wangithanda yabo and then vele uyazi I was very disciplined
Hey,
I was
yeah.
very disciplined yabo
Yeah.
so wathanda idiscipline yami ngilobe ngithe mangiqeda ukugraduate for ubu artisan my trade test
Yeah.
then that's because nganjiswa yibo vele you understand that's when you had time yokuthi sikhulume mina naye kahle ke yabo then zalobe sisethe into zethu kahle njengoba ngisho ukuthi ayikho into engaseteke ejele skim yonke into ikhona kuyenzeka but depend ukuthi ubani
Hey, amadlebe amile dining room khona ume ngenyawo khona uphethe ubhobhobho bathi we ulinda yazi into enesex ngaphakathi into serious le ndoda mfethu usishizile sidonsa ngamaketanga yona iyachama kamnandi hayi indlobe straight umfudumana
straight no indlobe bengayishayi mina indlobe bengayishayi I felt like ukuthi ngathi ngiyazimosha
yeah
mangilobi mase ngiqeda
Yeah.
ukuchama ngiyisolo but why am I doing this kahle
Eish.
yabo up until ke ngagcina sengithola isister green manje ngiyifuna bengiyithola ngendlela egrand kamnandi futhi ngine out yami ehlale next door yami kuleselele ngapha next door
yeah
ibhayisikade out yami ibhayisa ama drugs
yeah
ngisipana nawo kanje isipana 70 isipana emafemini
yeah
yeah i-access yamnayo kahle kahle yabo uyimuntu ongivalelayo uyimuntu ongivulelayo
so naye bekane yena unehonje istadium senu
istadium sethu
obekazi
nomele
unehonje
bekazi soyithu besazi up until wazi warad kusisteri bekazi he knew
mara mfethu awuyicabangi lento yokuthi man ithi ngenze ngenye indlela at least ngifihle ikhanda because mangenzeka undoda ngifike ngishiye phela kuyophuma ingozi straight and manje kuyenzakalani iyothiwani dileng
ngiyacabanga ukuthi yabona uma usabambeke kuleyo moment leyo
yeah
ne-excitement
yeah
awucabangi
Eish.
mfethu yabo umqondo ukuthi ube on a stable awubi stable umqondo wakho yabo ufuna
Yeah.
ukwenza lento ufuna ukuyenza uqeda ube grand yabo mabe naziphinda niyiphinde futhi and ungakhohlwa angithi access mina benginawo because of bengifundisa i-engineering i-trade welding and boiler maker ngada bengigelezisa yabona ngithi
yeah
so benginekhiya bengikhona ukuvulelwa ngiphume angaphumi ngathi angimele ngathi yena yabo sibuye sesibuya ke so that's how it is ngithise kanjalo ke mina
lento uyibonile lebo uyibukele eye okay kuyaphuma iGrootman lesichiko right uGata nePrison Water mara khona i-orange no brown
yes
lento into yazi kahle yona ngqo ukuthi lento akuna story abantu abaloku bathi hayi it's a myth lento ayikho man lento ngeke umuntu ayenze wena wazi var la
no bangakushayi bangakutshela amanga kuyenzeka it's possible mina I've done it more than 7-8 times I've done that ngibuya khona bengine access I've done that kahle futhi
yo.
simple kamnandi futhi bengasabi mfethu
Yeah.
ngize ngigcine sengijwayela nami sengasanavalo
Kusekhaya ikamera lakho.
into yami sinesofa lami lapha ya bese ngigrand mina mfethu
Manje mawum 69 lusester yilevel ukuthi siyabhathula ngibeka incaze emadolweni ithunqa fast or makafuna ukukhumula uyakhumula ngoba uyazi ukuthi akunamuntu ozayo la.
you know what scheme yabona amasaqala ne
Yeah.
bekuyilento ukuthi esani fast inyanga
Fast,
yabo
yeah.
abeke fast la uqeda ube mnandi angithola akubuyisele emuva sharp but isikhathi masihlobo isamba soyajwayela na ukuthi okay abasheshe bavele awuthami seyikhona ngibambele
Ipose.
iposi kuphi uyangithola yiyezo ngithinta mase kuntswembu uyangithola angeke bavulele ngada ngingakaqedi ngayi mina ngoba naye phela ngifihla into zakhe kusho ukuthi mina naye sinama security kahle kahle uyangithola ngithi nami bengifihla into
Umbrakethele
ama drugs akhe ekhonchini lami la engazi ukuthi nebangena ngada ngeba wathola ngiwafihle somewhere mina la engispanela khona yabona ukuthi manje soyithu manje ngine secret yakho secret yami manje sibambene siso mangifuna ukushaya mshedi mfana mamela ngelanga liso ngedate eso ngesikhathi eso ngiyacela ungavayi nebaphuma abanibala sala wena batshela usase busy uya clean or wenzani ngada u clean ama you know angithi le outtime benokuthi i clinic ishi lapho amahada ngada so my clinic ishi unokuthi nekaqeda bamvulele ayengada ke so bekasala ngada yini nami ngisale ngada because I have to lock phela ngithi ngikhiyele ngivala imshini ngicime yonke into so mfethu but ke yazi uyayenza lento lena uthi ungasasabi ugcine sodala ugcine so enjoy nabi
ngelinye ilanga uthi no ufuna ukubona nebele namhlanje
ayikho into bengayiboni futhi bekafika shaya skate vele ekete brown lesasibo
hayi mfana bephi ngalo yomthetho
yeah
hayi
ngiyakutshela sure ngiyakutshela mina mfethu bengithola scheme phakathi mfethu
uyazi le out yami lephela ngena na ejele AJ Mabode athi fantasy yami yi1 athi ayikho into engifuna njengokuhlaba iphoyisa yijaji magistrate athi mara manje umehluko uyi1 ngifuna laba abafaka ama boots mawuyiphoyisa kumele ufaka ama boots ufake nejazi kuphela ngaphansi kube maphola asuku isigulano
I know uyagula I know extreme no extreme
yembe uyazi ukuthi phela umuntu ohlele obukele lento banazi into zakhona intelentele labantu umuntu obukele dideng umqondo ngicabanga ukuthi ucabanga into ewani ukuthi awusabi na chief kuyathusa yabona kufana ukuthi uphendula umuntu omdala uyangithola fana ukuthi kusasa siyobamba inkunzi angazi uyangithola
yeah sure
yemuna iBrown whether indoda whether umfazi ama out vele it's designed bayakhalela nje lento ukuthi esana ufisa ukubona umuntu owumama noma ngabe kuthiwa unuka amakhwapha unuka kamnandi because nijwayelene ninodwa namadoda esayilini so kunale aura yomuntu osifazana nje ukuthi uyashota endaweni phela mfethu bekunamahigh mara hey wonke umuntu uhlala smayelile ndoda baba biza mama dimamzo what so wena mawuzothinta umuntu ngiyabona bona ukufaka lama stockings wakhona
for sure
awushaya uvalo mfana utatasele phela enye into inzwiri sikhuluma enye subject la abanga 18 and under ukuyale phansi le mele bangeke bangakafika 18 mele bayolala manje ngoba sikhuluma into eziserious manje so ukwabona ukuthi iorgan makufika isikhathi sesex kuba nenkinga manje ukuthi ingqondo yakho mele ibe aligned ibe in tune ayikho into stubborn njengepipi liwa manje hayi next week ungatheneka off kunuke into engathi ayizwakali
kahle seconds liwe
bakuthethise nje uyangithola kufika omnye umqondo omunye umuntu oke wakukhulumela ezinye izinto odwa wamenza livele liwe straight so wena bongayicabangi lento makuvela uBrown yinto bekuponyaliswa le
yabo ukukutshela nje iqiniso that's why mina bengashaya idrada ungakhohle ukuthi isister bengiWhatsApp nalo day and night
lapha
day and night bengiWhatsApp ngale sister yabo so izinto besisiplana kahle besiqale efonini kahle didi uya remember ukuthi lesa sikhathi ngazi manje ukuthi basayenza bokusase nama 6 phone ngiyanthola
no i standard akuyoze kuyovala until wafaka ama gem leyo vela bayithola people ngamukile ngelanga umuntu alibambe ngesandla nefone la
yabo so beshama 6 phone yabo ilo setup mina naye yabo kushuthi uyangiprepare ngiyamprepare ukuthi mamela angisanavalo manje ukuthi mangibona iStockings ngibona iBrown ngokusabi yabo iBrown bengiyibona ngihlonipha njengomuntu njenge-authority engiphansi kwalo ngaleso sikhathi yabona
but hayi futhi ukuthi ngakubhebha manje
ngithi futhi abanye bese baba babi kimi scheme yangithola because of angisana inkanuko
Eish.
uyokuhlaba yangithola
Esaba.
sengiyahlaba ngithi and ngihlaba umuntuogrand omuhle
Hayi,
yangithola ne
hayi.
laba abanye sengibona bababi hayi futhi ume kabi lo kanti kudala bengibona muhle lo muntu
Yeah. U-Desperado, yeah.
2 years back
Yeah.
bengimbona trust bengimbona muhle 5 years
Uyasutha,
down the
man.
line 6 years down the line sengigrand sengiyasutha manje ngigrand no amakholoni angena ngapha nangapha skimi nginuka kamnandi
Unuka i-perfume
Eish, mfethu,
entshela.
yeah uyazi mfethu
Hayi wena, hayi.
bekungekhabethe lami lama colognes ngekhabethe lama sneaker ngekhabethe impahla nekhabethe elokudla ayithula bolala mina ngayehlela wena remember
ngiyakhumbula kahle.
benginembirthday 2 ngasuka la ngathi skimi wazoploma kulala la mina ngilale phezulu remember ngithi operate endaweni ewa yeah.
Hey.
So it's based on that ukuzithanda man
Into engiyifunayo ukuthi uyikhulumele wena because mina ngiphile nange bazothi yabo uqale uyamkhulumela njengoSylvester. And lento eyiringayo ngiyazi kahle ngathi kuyizolo. Awuboni ngithi namhlanje ngilethe omunye usigaqagaqa bengibaza abo Chama Boy baseDanyani nabo Jason kuyoshutwana lapha emabondeni aye ngale move uJason nayo ba design ama-computer abuye
abashintshe abashintshe
and uDoctor lo. On that note lo Dr. Majalantia lo.
Yes.
Dr. Majalanti uJason Amasimbi and uyabaleka ngafuna ukuza la and uyu-doctor ngamthola mina phethi la ngari baloko bayalola uyabuya hey lelo yona lisahlela kahle lichiftile ile chiftile alo AJ tela abantu bako bayakhinyeka lapha amehla bovu ngapha hey man uphelelwe iplug AJ bahlala Danyani la amangiphuma nge71 uyazi uhlangana bonkawana nathe uqalile mfethu yakulawo bakho ababhorekayo hayi ngeke mfethu vela donsi khaya yazilalela AJ angayifuni indaba yomzulazulu indaba yamajalantiya isukapi into yamajalantiya njani this idea umuntu usejele mara ufuna ukufaka nama-beats isukapi la le
yazi dide ngile yabona masendaweni ewane skimi singamajita ne sinokukhohlisana uyangithola and esikhohlisana ngento yokuthi yini into emnandi akekho kowaphuma wabuya wazokujola athi apramno iyashisa dide ngiyabo imnandi yabo but uzofuna uku-experience dide ngile yabo if azange ngihlabe mina bengingeke ngazi experience okuhlaba ukuthi njani yangifrostana bengeke ngi-understand ipain okuhlaba ukuthi esandile ngibhlungu mayingena kuphi ibhlungu mayingena va yabo sengine experience bese ngiyazi manje okay manje angeke ngikhona ukuhlaba but ngiyazi umuntu engithi uzongihlaba uzongihlaba va ukuthi ungashaya ivein yabo so dide ngile iyafana nalento ama-beats dide ngile yaqala abantu base-Sun City yalobe iqhubeka iza amajele wonke iza Motapi Boxback Sun City iyeza dide ngileyo yangithola and isuswa yibosho zase Sun City yaqala la kahle ukuthi dide bayithole kuphi ukuthi phela hey labantu mfethu abo doctor straight abo doctor they are gifted those people
hey
ama surgeon labantu bantswembu labantu bakhona uku-operator ubhekile kanje ngathi ngithi ngifaka uJeff eli1 wajump uJeff athi mngani wami no hayi no uzofa uzofa ngcono sofuna umjovo yabo asamthi ufuna umjovo yabo labantu banomjovo should they are well organized these people ibosho they are very well organized ayikho into engekho njengoba ngichazile ayikho into engekho banomjovo kulalisa inkawuza banomjovo ama-pain banama surgical blades yangithola mfethu banama bandage ayikho into engekho mfethu
the first time wena mawuhamba uthi nami ngiyongena e-shop manje ngiyothenga nami yinto kwayibona eSun City waya na eBoxback or uqala eSun City
no ngayibona eSun City ngayisaba mfethu ukuthi manje la uthi izongibamba i45 kanjani
uzongibamba i45 na umbuzo omkhulumile vele ndoda
ngibamba kanjani i45 ngeke ngizongibamba i45 mfethu kanjani mfethu yabo phela eSun City ngifika nyahlanya nami nginabo ma22 yabo ngisahlanya ukuthi yabona la ngifile ejuvenile ngisuke ejuvenile ngajumpela ngayi emambozeni yangithola ngathi hala kumele ngizimela achuzwa makekho ke la kumele ngilwe straight la ezothi izofuna ingubo ifunani hayi sizoxabana mina naye and yazi up until today angaze nga-experience that in there mina ngihleli plus minus 9.5 years ne but angaze nga-experience umuntu olala nomunye umuntu scheme angiyazi that in there
abantu abayikholelwa right
yeah abantu abayikholelwa mina ngiphilile la angaze ngababona but you'd hear people abathi bayayitshuna but angaze ngababona dide
noma sihlalile 70 njani
sihlalile 70 mfethu yabo none of that yabo okay sibele kudide ngile eSun City mangiyibona dide ngiyisabe ngithi la uthi mara le ilobi ifaka abantu ithamanyana abathi umchuno lomxhosa lumxhosa but lumchunu yabona thiwa no lethama leli liyayifaka lezinto linswembu vele yabona lisipana vele hospital so lezi zinto liyitshontshe hospital nebayo circumcise amajita liyayitshontsha lize nase sectionini lizosibhayisa lifaka amajita ayahafu Hayi ngathi yazini hayi mina ngiyayisaba dide awuthi ngizinike isikhathi ngihlale because ngisafika manje yabo wathi nqe ngathi mangifika Boksburg ayi yashintsha indawo manje Boksburg iyashintsha indawo eBoksburg ngathi dide ngile ama-outcome ayifaka lezi zinto abo-Spirit bayifaka abo Jeff bayifakile kwenzakalani manje la kushuthi ngizosala kushuthi mnandi dide ngiyabona
hey
ngathi mana athi ngifake 2 ngibone yabo Mama ngifaka 2 le one ihleli isiyeri ngayi yabona manje angilimaza mani ngithi mele ngimlando umuntu azoyikhipha le nto yabona udayiding kumele ngumlando azoyikhipha le one echaphe ngayesayidini yabona
manje le 2 ifakwelana ukuthi uyatutsa
ngiyatutsa
or uyenzela ukuthi kuphole kucala bese uyalayisha futhi kabusha
ngiyatutsa ukuthi izongihlala kanjani ngizoba comfortable kanjani yabona
Yeah.
ukuthi cause manje ife yami bengingakuthi inkawu zami imayima
yeah
ngizofila kanjani izongihlaba dide ngizongenzani
Yeah,
phakathi
yeah,
because
yeah,
iphakathi it's underneath the skin
Skin,
sakho
yeah.
yabo second layer I think skin
yeah
yeah so nginaleyo fear ukuthi hayi man dide ngizongikhawadi awu ngafaka 2 hayi ngezwa ngathi ngiba ngconyana akusana mapain ngabuya ngathi mfethu sengipholile yabo sengina 2 months nyana ngifakile ngathi awuzwayile sifake 4 manje at least manje zithi 6
uyayibalance manje iBhawana
yeah zithi 6 manje yabo hayi azwakala umfethu 4 ngithi athi ngihile kancane zokubiza avayo abuye futhi sengihilile futhi ngithi mfethu awufake futhi 2 ngaphezulu yeah ziqwale yakutshela mfethu yeah ngagcina la ke yabo
Yes,
ngagcina la ke
so in total wafaka ngakhi
8
Yeah.
8 yeah cause zi-8
YouTube anibuzeni YouTube
Ezi-
ukuthi iyavuma ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sithola isithombe silifaka iBhawana babone labantu ukuthi kahle kahle sikhuluma ngani ngathi into emnandi kuyahlekwa hayi ngizwa amadoda mina khala indoda ibuya amehla bovu ithe mfethu alihlelanga kahle lidenge
yeah ehlala ngagrand usuku umuntu wakhona ngakufaka ngagrand but
Ama-
abo sister bayincane
ama size
no mina ngazenzela bro ama size ngazenzela ama size amakusila amancane ahoti kuyawami yabangaka so
angithi bengizwa abakhuluma la ePepsi gag ukuthi hey uLinda ayi ushanga malasi number ngathi amamabuli uLinda ntulwana bokwani kanti yena sithi yonke into yakhe enkulu
yeah ngafaka hoti ke ngafaka hoti
yo
ngayenza sure ukuthi angisaphinde ngifake mangifake lawo ngiqedile ngifuna ukuthi mangiqale ngithi
yeah
yeah hayi aqome
is this before idayideng man so
Ayi,
chip in is
be-
it-
bese ngifakile usister ngiba naye sengifakile ujumpa kanje sekayifuna kanje sengifakile already
ushaya iphosa ngamajalantiya
hawu kabuhlungu
and uma ukhuluma naye bekazibuza ukuthi yini le setup le
No,
niyayidiscussa lento uma ufake something epipini ukuthi hey man ngifake into so
Before.
amalanga mawafikile ya niyake nikhulume
before ngimthola
yeah
no ngamtshela mina ngathi mfethu
Yeah.
yazini nginezinto ezwathi anyazazi angithi sijwayele ukuyifaka ikhali sekuyiculture la ekhaya lezi zinto zeni uma ungayifakanga ukuthi awusuyindoda wena
yeah
yabo
Hey,
Phela
hey,
kusho ukuthi-
hey, hey.
i-initiation dayiding leya uma
Kahle kahle,
ungayifakanga
yeah.
kusho ukuthi no
Yeah.
kufana nama 26
Yeah,
nama yabo
inamba,
yabo
yeah,
yeah inamba
yeah.
yeah into esifana nalezo yabo ukuthi
Yeah.
uma ungayifakanga dide ngisho ukuthi nawe usuyindoda wena
Kahle
and
kahle.
zigrand mfethu man zigrand
So uya encourage wona abantu abaye bayofaka amajalantiya
ya no amajalanti amele bawafake bafethu udoctor usasekhona sinaye nala ekhaya abaqhubeke bafake ski
okay mara health wise because obviously lento lesikhuluma ukuthi into yasemaDzabis
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
awudzame isibuye zimzisho kanjani
yeah
health wise is it clinically proven
I once checked ingazi ukuthi ngachecka kahle ne
Mm.
ngacheck ama side effect
yeah
yeah ngabona ukuthi no I know ama side effect
yeah
ama side effect ngaba ama infections ethola ukuthi ayikho clean because of angithi
Ayisa,
kumele
ufaka
lezi zinto
phansi
zibe
moya.
sterilized
Yeah,
exactly kumele zibe
yeah.
sterilized plus
Yeah.
minus boma 4-5 days sihleli lapha sterilized
Yeah.
then ikhani uzosifaka ke yabo so abanye abantu bavele bazenze manje khona nezama star inyoka yabo
Yeah.
designs nama design abhaya nje yabo
Cha yini manje star yini inyoka ishape leyo
it's a shape
noma mele into around ngiyayibona ngithi ngathi kuyimabuli
exactly
or ama beads wona lawa nokufakwa
Yeah,
lezandleni nani
yeah.
but mawuthi star shape nani ivela seyichap lento
ivela seyicharp
ilokhu ihleli la
Ilokhu ihleli la.
mawushaya umuntu kwenzakalani manje?
yamkhwaya obvious
bayijabulele kunjalo
ukuthi bayijabulela mfethu but mina I feel like it's painful because of now iyakuhlaba phezulu ngithi so imagine ifraction leyo lento ekuhlabayo ke what's happening to you yabo yi problem enginayo ke leyo mina
i-response yakho kubantu abafew mawubalalela ukuthi feedback nali igama elimnandi i-feedback kubomama injani yomuntu na uharmony namajalantiya the feedback
Ayi.
the difference
amajalantiya is the best no bayawa recommend ngifuna ukutshela ngabe bayawa recommend
ingqonywa odokotela ingqonywa omama
I know no skim yabona bomama truly speaking bayawathanda bawamukele just that ukuthi kunzima ukuthi ahamba tshela umuntu ukuthi ngicela uyofaka hamba ufaka na ufana because uzokutshela ukuthi once wathandana nawe wena loaded ahlangane nomunye akasamfili into yakufila ngakhona wena sokuhlukile completely didn't angazi zibayenzani because ngathi mangiyichecka bathi lezi zinto the way kumele siplace ngakhona ziplace in a way yokuthi kumele zi-stimulate ilento each sport.
Because of abazingeli
abaseshi so manje yabona mayiso iphume kangaka iyakhona ukuthi idlale lapha ithinte exactly so yenze le idea so manje angeke akusakufila wena all right ongana amajalanti you understand ngithi uzofuna le
nalo udaba ke abo uyanda bonobuhle abo andiswa uyakhuluma la undoda Mphini uthi hey kunendaba enkulu neyaphuthelwa manje ngakaze nizindaba yamajalantiya ngiyanihlekisa njalo hey I hope ni right bafethu namhlanje sikhuluma enye subject ke serious udoctor nangu uhleli lapha ngathi ngajika le camera nimbone original ukuthi ubani umnikazi walento uyohlala msasika abantu ujob eprison ningakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe we are on the road to 300k I hope nisasiphethe kahle emadladleni. Don't try this at home. Udoctor usasichazela ukuthi yini amajalantiya enzani makwenzakalani. So uSester
yes
sesivala the relationship ebekwe yaphakathi ngaphandle bekane life
yabekane life ngaphandle even though so ngaphakathi angithi uba relaxed angithi ayikho into emphazamisayo ne because uyazi ukuthi safe ayikho into ongayenza not unless ukuthi uthola omunye futhi umshayi futhi you understand and ayikho into azoyenza because uzophelwa isipani once balo uzophelwa isipani then maso uphuma that's when things start to change ke manje because of nawe uyakhohlwa ukuhlukanisa impilo yangaphakathi nempilo yangaphandle ukuthi manje so free manje yabona so uzobona bama caves ubona bama hips ubona ama type akho manje agrand awusasichafi manje so sha 99 manje you understand manje so free manje you're on your own space manje yabo so angeke nisazwana nizohlukana so kumele nikhulisa incosi manje iphelele nizolwa kakhulu
and amachita we out ES4 in fact engiyaziyo enencosi yasedanyana because ngeke ngayisho lento ngikhuluma iverse ukuthi ifamily igcina itshela undoda ukuthi wena kunenzeka ukuthi soyahlanya nokuba soyahlanya because ugwetshwe 20 years bowusejele mara ubuya nomntwana ona 9 years ukhuluma ngani uyayithola la ile ukuthi lento ihlangene kanjani endaba yencosi so now the understanding as it were man loko niya yini le ithembiso mara ezenziwayo uthiyama ukuthi umuntu azariskele span nani or is it normal is your Nandipha and Thabo Bester situation mhlawumbe uthi if ustand ngiyakuncanywa uyangincanywa akunanto banga-exaggerate imedia but mina nje uthando siyancanywana
I think ukuthi ukuncanywana ukumthanda nje umuntu and uthando lasejele uthando lesikhashanyana because uthandela la iduze la uthanda into la iduze kwakho once yaqhela noma waba into an open space yabona umqondo wakho manje khana ubona manje iview yonke because iview yakho ungakhohle ivaliwe iview yakho it's very
ubona lento la
iyebalekile exactly uyibona i-right uzowakha nayo mawuphuma ngaphandle bese bathi ushentshile kanti akusukuchange so ne freedom ebhaya manje sokhona ukubona abantu sokhona ukuchoose manje so ne preference manje uthi hayi lo hayi inyawo nje akame kancane lo yabo hairstyle nyana yakhe sobona abama Peruvians nani yabona lezinto zabo cherry.
Let's jump into the culture. Kuno Sister owabhala incwadi wayibiza Prison Love uthini Munkwe kodwa uyangichomela man ngake ngambiza la ngimzamile ngaze ngamiyeka because I wanted perspective about also to promote ispan saka senzayo ukukhulume over ngalento Prison Love ukuthi emfo azange ke ngahetheka kanje uyagileka bayasigila abo Jeff nabonkawana mabaphuma ngaphandle ngoba bavele baba abanye abantu so le ndaba yama phone ne build up nothando lasejele lo thando are you saying ngona le exist or uthando nje ngoba naku siborekile nani ikhona into yokuthi umuntu uyancanywa kwamampela makasedanyana
ayikho Brian
yazi kufana nenyawo engibuze ngenombolo athi hey nombolo into engekho awungiyeke
ayikho same applies nami namazange ngishaya inombolo ngabona that's why ngabatshela ngathi ngaphile endlini almost isentence yami yonke ngiphume ngenza into engiyenzayo ngejimini ngiyasigela ngigeleze ngibuye ngihlala endlini isikhathi sambe ngibe ngisichithe endlini kakhulu kule TV because azange ngayi understand indaba eyikhumba ye-gangsterism ukuthi
Yeah.
yini umthetho wayo kwenziwani lapha kahle kahle because ilanguage yabo mina bengiconfuse ngizoyifunda nini mara yonke lento ngizoyifunda nini sengumdala ngithi angeke ngiyifunde lile ngile yabo futhi ayina ne-certificate lile ngathi angifuna certificate ngifuna into ezongiphilisa ngaphandle.
Yeah.
You understand? So
Ukhuluma
that's why
ibala,
bengihlala endlini ngithi amanye amahatani wafika athi kimi kanti mfethu wena mongeze ejimini uhleli la endlini ubukela i-TV ngathi ayikho into engizoyenza ngaphandle but awuphuma ushaye umoya udlala ibholo ngathi lalilani yabona njengoba ngihleli la
Yeah.
ngomnandi
Yeah.
nabangani bangi babheke i-TV la
Yeah.
ngathi ngibabhekela lapha e-TV laba ngaphandle ngibazi sihlangane yiya kusabangani bami bangani base-TV ngibhekele bona and truly speaking ngu-TV manje I'm working with those people are my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, we share everything.
Le nto boyibukela uyayenza manje.
Exactly. Le nto bekubukela e-TV bengiyiprofessor ile nto engiyenza manje. So it's based on choices in fact yabo. Yeah, manga nama choices you won't go anywhere after all. You need to choose a life ukuthi ufunani awufuni ini yabo. Kune out vandaag oshizile nayo 5 years yonke or 10 years yonke ne mega phuma kungabi ne direction empilweni yakhe abuyele back to square one. Cabanga ukhonile ukuphila in a short space. Short limited space yabo bese uzohluleka ukuphila emhlabeni sovulekele manje yabo uphiwe yonke into nayo impilo ayiduze kwakho but uhluleka ukuphila futhi. Yeah uhluleka completely ukuphila out of 100% abantu engiphume nabo same day 80% went back.
Mfethu
80% abayibashonile abanye babele phakathi 80%.
Sad
Yeah, I've never even a single day ngathi ngiyosigna ukuboshwa ngithi ngiyofaka statement police station. I've never police station ngiyacertify ngiyaphuma.
Yeah,
ngiyacertify
8 years later.
Exactly. Yeah, ngiyacertify ngiyaphuma police
choice.
station. Yeah, choices that I made for myself. Ngisafika mina nga change eboxini day 1 ngifike ngiqeda ukuboshwa ngashintsha scheme ngashintsha ngathi yabona angeke ngizobone old lami likhala kanje mina
mfethu
khalela mina old lami
into enjani
ngathi angeke mfethu mina ngiyashintsha from vandaag ngiyashintsha I will never stand kule box futhi and bro wami azange ngiphinde ngayiyeka till today. Namhla baba tuthwele mophila ushintshe impilo yakhe yashintsha ushintshe ikaro grand but yabo sisaba hijacka wena futhi so ispani ema out inaseKaso. Yeah.
Ngifuna sithathe kancane le ndaba yethu yalothando ne because a lot of people kulaba eluza khona abantu banabonkulunkulu babo abantu balezansi bathi abantu banethunywa zabo. Now you are hurting people in the name of love and you are saying look mina mfethu I'm madly I'm deeply I've fallen mara only to find ukuthi kunzima you can't fall out. Ngoba bomama bona bayithatha kuba isenhlizweni kusasa umuntu depression ubani poison and whatever you kusasa ukhulunywa kabi nani but can't we avoid lento? How can we highlight people ngoba abanye abantu they are willing participants labo mama singabakhulumela abanye the gender based abanye abantu they are playing a critical role and a part ukuthi bayi-allow lento a self-inflicted pain. How are we teaching people ukuthi bafethi mani kancane mangisejele masejele wena usase ku Facebook nani yazi ukuthi uyodlala lapha yekela ukuthi ubamba umntana wakho ngenhliziyo uthi yena udlale ngawe mawuyisa impahla uzisela wena. How can we educate them abantu edladleni?
I think ukuthi abantu in fact they should come to their senses. They should come to their senses angeke umuntu osejele ongamazi umthanda kanjani umuntu ongamazi? It's impossible. Lo muntu lo akakushelanga nishilana efonini nibonana behind amabhakla. So umthanda kanjani umuntu lo mfethu? Isiboshwa sisile sihle isiboshwa sathandeka si clean but sisile isiboshwa. So angeke and they've got all the sweetest words lawa okumele abantu besifazana bawezwe banawo baphiwe labantu labaya
and they've got all the time in the world.
They've got all the time because of don't forget ukuthi wena abantu besifazana mthimbane bafuna isikhathi bafuna just isikhathi sakho abafuna into ezibhaya angahlala ngayifuna inyuku yakho ungambheje ungafuni fokoli ne but ufuna isikhathi sakho and wena unaso isikhathi ukuthi uvalelwe mawufika ula 24/7 ula akhohle ukuthi masophumela ngeke isabaladi lengile angithi angeke that's bazothi bahethekile abanye banabo chair abayi5 and don't forget ukuthi ejele akusiwo wonke umuntu one visit. If most visit in 90% or no, not even 90 out of 100 if 50% abo chair aba visita ibosha bangazazi kusuka umuntu wase Cape Town azovisit out. Mina bebasuke eCape Town bazongivisit.
Yo.
Durban asuke I'm telling you my brother, asuke le eDurban azongivisit ejele. uJason knows, he knows.
Makuwe no Jeff.
Yeah, exactly.
ah.
You understand mfethu ne?
Hey,
So
hey,
indaba
hey.
yothando, indaba yothando scheme eDanyana ayikho. Ayikho babu labo bantu labo besithi sabathanda.
Yo.
Besichitha the whole night. Ngo-1 uyavuka sasenama minutes ama-4 minutes
Yeah.
ango-1 Vodacom ne
Yeah.
sifonelane sihlale boma 1 hour ifonini 2 hours
Kuphela wakho nigebele
ngawakho
ngawakho.
wakhe futhi yabo
Ayi, ayi, ayi.
ayisekho la ayisenzeki lile ngileya manje because uthando belingekho bekuthando lwendlala
Hey,
wasejele
son.
ulambile ufuna ukugawula egrand ufuna ukumaintaina istyle esasejele ngithi mongena ujike soba nestyle sakho na uthi mina lifestyle
Yeah.
yami imele ishintshe nami ngifuna
Yeah.
ufane namajini
Phila
ngenze
kanje
yini
manje, yeah.
sengiphila kanje manje yabo awusafuna ukugawula awusaphaki wena sofuna ukudla ama fruits sofuna ukupheka ufuna ukudla isteak njalo uyashishimbisa ufuna ukusela kamnandi lejele ngeyibhayisi yangithola
Hey.
yeah
Hey,
manje
hey.
kumele kube nomuntu ozoyimaintaina le lifestyle yakho and in order ukuthi ayimaintain ilamagama omele umtshele wona each and every night so kumsebenzi
Hey,
it's fun Day and night.
sakhuthuzwa ngendaba kaSithole eseli70 ngeke ngikhohle.
exactly usithole lo mnyama lo yeah you know mfethu
Hey,
ayikho
that's-
right here
Mara ngabuyela ku TikTok yami nizoyithola lento ephelele indaba kaSithole. I-EST yasenza biza
Besisonke ebusuku basithela ngamanzi basichithela boshukela
Hey,
Yeah,
bachithe
besisonke.
kwasani mfethu.
besisonke
Hey,
sonke
uSithole kuphambene intambo ufaka into zakhe uloku busy ngama-nude banokumphikisa ukuthi le pipa
Yeah.
uSithole hambe ayoyishuta
ashuthe
ebathroom
enye vie
ayibeke kanje ithawula athi mama ufuna ngenzeni ngiyoguqa manje
Yeah.
isiphi istyle kanti uSithole uzothatha le phone ayikhipha ayinikeza umama wayinika umama wayinika abomagweru
Yeah,
wafike
what-
bathi break i-code
yeah
yes sis lo mama wabona
Yeah.
imbembe ezi-different umama
Yeah.
wabuye egeyitini kusasa wathi ya nangu uSithole nabantu bakhe
Yeah.
nandi
Yeah.
yazange bazihele kanje
iyo
EST.
lento yayenza baseshe
yeyi
esashaywa
and
mfethu
abantu abayikhohlwa le ndaba i-riding mawatshela nje ukuthi uyabona inhliziyo inhliziyo ayiphakelwa chief and ungacabanga ukuthi umuntu uloyiwe ngendlela eza ngayo la ngikutshela ukuthi mina uthola intwana ekuthiwa le yankawuzanani shawu ushoro manzi edanyana
Mfethu,
ningabelieve
you'd never believe uthi uma uhleli kanje ingene namaplasi mina yazi bengiya every weekend ngiya Saturday nyaka yi2 Sunday nyaka yi2 all these years
different people
different
so stela ikhadi
Yeah,
ukuthi alright makushaya u9 wena ibaqala
Yeah,
uyangena
yeah.
yeah makuzoshaya
Yeah.
before lunch time
yeah ngena lo
bone plug konje lawo yokuma lapha kunale system benginyanyisa Jason yama romance hey I hated that thing in prison
kiss
chief.
kiss
I have
mina
never done that shit in
bengayenzi
prison.
dating mina bengayenzi mina dating yazi bengisaba ukuthini ukuthi lwathikini lwana nekangani angayibona yonke le ngiyomoshakalelwa phela ngithi angeke ngisathola into ezimnandi
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so
every
bengafunda
visit
yini.
maka ufika uyavaleliswa uyahaga
yeah yavalelisa yeah sharp hug no kiss nothing
seniyoyiceda ngendaba kaTokoloshi ebusuku
exactly
la.
ngoba vela lokhu uthando mfethu
Yes.
alukho uthando la
Man, I hated that tune man Jason being Kenya blind because kunamachitebo wama uthole iproblem iwani ngizobe kuvisitwa ingosi yami ihleli phezukwami and then now undoda umile hayi ngeke ngathi manje system iye kumele ngathi bangathi bayayivala la
Bayishintshe.
well bakhona abanye abantu bayafika baze baguqe bapropose in
Yeah.
prison nani mara le ama romance angitholi kahle well ngiyayibona indaba ka baby kiss umuntu uyafika even ingami lo yazi noma ngabe nihleli kuphi nithola nisoloprenini kuphi kunaya
Yeah,
chick
yeah,
kiss
yeah.
kanjalo mara le romance chief
Yeah.
uzubonyelwe ume visit
yeah uphuma
Ah,
vele
hayi
basumile
ingenzeli sense lile mfethu but now going forward labantu nyana uma ucabanga wena makunomuntu omshayayo la uyake abe nomuntu oyiconfident yakhe amtshele amlikisele ukuthi mfethu kukapi phela unokumbona omunye the way akuhlikisa ngakhona ukuthi hey nina sewuyazi
Yeah.
bakhona abantu esibaziyo ngasibe
Yeah.
ngamagama
Yeah.
ngara uyazi ukuthi
Yeah.
laba vele bekuyingcuncu
Yeah.
yilaba baziyo ukuthi
Yeah.
le fast lane
yeah
so lo muntu bomshaya bekakhona umuntu bekakhuluma naye ukuthi
bekakhona ilo chicken oveti lo
yeah
lo beka
yeah
nomsebenzi
ngiyamkhumbula yeah
basipana ku education
so bekanokutshela abanye nabo ukuthi hayi man bafethu lo muntu lona kahle ngiyamshayisa lo
yeah I think because they were very close labo chair laba no so I think because bekanongitshela athi wena bebathe ngikulethe into zakho ngikhohliwe That's how I discovered ukuthi she
seyakutshela
knows, yeah.
lento ukuthi
Then she
lo
knows
muntu
ukuthi-
lo une story
Yeah,
lo kahle
then she
kahle
knows
naye.
ukuthi what's
Ish.
happening yabo kuthe man
Ish.
ngiphi into yakho ukuthi ngikulethele ngikhohliwe ngiyacela ngishiye
Ayisana.
endlini ngizozana kusasa
Ayisana.
simple So I knew ukuthi lapho mfana hayi no sekayazi
Hey, I know indaba yakho le inzima nyana man. Indaba yakho. And manje yazi njani ne? There is no way of telling your story without getting into nitty-gritties, nama details for it to make sense, unfortunately. And this is not in any way Ulinda trying to expose or humiliate, because we need to understand last fihla magama for a reason, for a purpose, but we are educating also ukuthi ungangena kulento kwenzeke phela kuneyawuthi yami eyashaya le itayela bafike visit kuthathwa amanamba ukubona ngiphuma nawe ze visit sivakashelwe ioledi incozi zakini nani lo ngapha ugcina stored ugcina thatha amanamba eoledi ebusuku ugijimisa ioledi lempintshi yakhe ngotokolozi. I'm telling you zakwazana leza itsotsi kabuhlunga lenye igcine mayijumpa no ithi yabona indaba ulahla side phone ngeke ufihle waya mayithi manje iyamangala manje oledi selinalento yokuthi indoda ungamshiyi mawuza undoda angasali mawuza undoda angasali ngithi hayi
umhlelele ngotokoloshi ebusuku
ingwenya bese ibhizi imsetup antswembu mawoledi ugcina hlanya blind yazi before bagura nami I think ihoma nje bazwile mabelalela ukuthi uLinda umuntu ohlakaniphile mangithi ohlakaniphile sikhulele kasi si average and you were able to turn around life yakho. Now you are as good as what you are doing as your last performance. But now uphakwa kanjani uphakwelani?
Okay, ngiphakele robbery ne. Ngiphakele robbery. Ithamlambo ukuhata. Ukuhata ithema lami. Nginalento kunale advantage ukuthi angeke ngiboshwe.
Yeah.
Gelizena makhalati. Gelizena makhalati. Ngaba igroup namakhalati. Yabo. High school. Yabo. Saphume high school. Sesifuna nokubavakashela manje yabo banale itayela lezamani sophanda kuphi bomamonjo kuphi bayophanda yabo ngijoin lens bayophanda ngijoin yabo keep lapha bayophanda ngiyajoina nami ngithola yaqala dada idengile ngaze ngakhula molo bophanda uyagraduate sicale etradeni ngithola ama house breaking uyagraduate manje uthi hayi ngisayifuna sana new kudide ngimasle so kumele manje sike sibangenele phakathi manje sesifuna imali manje yabo kena phakathi yabona le apha uthi hayi le inobungozi le yabo ayisekho grand la athi ngiyehle le so thola amanye amajita manje ngithola so kumele manje sohebisa ke manje ngina 22 that time kumele sohebisa manje indaba yami everywhere mfethu everywhere indaba yami emaphepheni ngiyadubuleka ngiyakhawatheka
wadubuleka
yeah umacala wami uzuyashona 2 bayashona esinini yabo so it was a very bad experience mfethu yabo but mangihleli ngiyibheka manje ukuthi ngiqale kuphi ngaze ngafika la nokuthi ngiyibonge nokuthi ngizibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu at least ungisebenzisile now I can stand and tell someone else ukuthi mfethu uNtswembu lapho ngayi la yabo phuma la akusimpilo na impilo ngayi but there was no one there ukuthi lento ukuthi masitshontshe ikari ngifahla kuyithama leza liyangikhipha bayithola la idenge ngintouchable yabo angibambeki once ngafahla kuyithama selilalizo ngikhipha yabo laze ladineka itime lancintshe olady didi ngilathala ngikhathele lo mntana wakho mina akabona ukuthi uzoba yini le phakathi olady lavaya olady lavaya that time emele bangishanga 35 years lavaya olady case yami live vaya case yami for 1 year case yami abafuna ungigayibheli for call itime la oral 2007 or 2007 ngathenda le case le but I'm okay my sesakugweba manje that's when I changed angisana backup manje ngoba itime alisekho and selikwatile ukuthi kunini mfethu ngokukhuza mfethu kunini ngokutshela into eyi-1 ithi phuma kulezi zinto ngikhathele ukugijima emva kwakho mfethu mina ngikhathele khona manje ngixabana namaphoyisa kuba ngathi ime ngokuthumayo manje njalo ngicela ama-favors emahadeni ngikhathele ntwana yami phuma la lakhathala tami lathi angisayingendile ngileyo va uyozibona ukuthi uzoba yini and ngazibona mthimbani mfethu yabona that's when I changed bro wami ngathi nebangigweba ngashentsha from eboxing ngaba dizzy ngashentsha isikhathi masilobe isivanga ngibona olady lami belifika mfethu li-orla kanje olady lami ngisasephakathi ku-orla ugogwami ngisasephakathi you remember I think bosasekhona mangihamba ngiye-funeral inyeka amagogo bangikhipha ngiya ngaphandle ne yeah ingco sasedladleni orla kanje ilasiboneze ngiphakathi ngashentsha from la ngathi angeke ngizongcwaba wonke umuntu ngiphakathi I need to change my life I need to change ngathi mangiphuma abangani laba abasala abayithu ngaphandle bathi bayabuya bathi bafethu ngicela ningasazwakali manje izani ngokungihunta nindlule
Yeah.
mina ngikreni bafethu angisafundi ezi snacks
Angisaphikeli,
ngikreni
yeah.
le mpilo eniphilayo angisekho la bafethu iyangihlula angishile bafethu nongishile ngikreni vayani bafethu ngikreni yabo wagcina balokubaza ngibaxoshe sidinga bafethu sogcina sicabana ningasazwakali manje izongitshela ukuthi kukhona imoto kuphi ngathi ningasizi nanizongitshela dide ngeni la ngikreni angingeni mele into yoni le
Yo.
yeah ngashintsha from that up until today
Yes.
yabo
So kuyaphumeka kahle kahle. Umuntu usuke kuye nje ne-attitude ne-mentality yakhe yokuthi you are holding on to the things of the former past. Akusukuthi indlela yokuphila ezutakhi crime kuphela.
yes no siningi indlela zokuphila without crime is nathi siyaphila mfethu and if lento ngayithola kudala before ngifahlako ngabe ngikude ngelife manje
Ngabe fair
ngabe
ne?
fair plan
Hey 10 years isikhathi esibhayi
yeah because naku ngiyaphila no
Yeah.
angaze ngagangaze ngatshontsha iswiti yabo siyaphuma no dokotela sispend 5k nje
Yeah.
yabo
Hey,
sebi fun
mfethu,
yangithola
yeah.
mfethu sebi fun kuphela yabo
Yeah.
yeah uyakhona ukungenzela ama invoice we company yami yangithola mfethu ngenzela uya ama invoice ke mina
Yeah.
mfethu yabo yeah inyuka ingene ayibona sure na ingenile inyuka yabo yabo
Ngiyasibamba.
asenze mfethu sibone senzani yangithola yeah
Kuyaphileka.
so kuyaphileka ngaphandle
Yeah.
thina mfethu kona
Yeah,
manje
abantu-
nginebhodlela engizolenza ele gin
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah
Your own brand.
yeah my own brand gin
Nice one.
yeah
Yeah. Yeah.
so ngizoza
Support.
masibuya futhi
Silifatafata,
sizohlala
yeah.
phansi sike sikhulume yangithola
Bazokufuna mfethu hey
Yeah.
ukhulume phela wabeka yonke into ngaphandle epepenene njengezibunu zemfene.
yeah
Ngine interest yokubuza mani ngencosi ukuthi incosi right umuntu njengoTupac wenzelwe ngale wazalelwa ngale. Incosi ucabanga ukuthi siyofika isikhathi la uzofika uyitshele khona ukuthi hey man kahle kahle kwenzakalani.
yeah sizofika isikhathi just that ukuthi manje asikakhulumi kahle ngoba iholiday angithi since la kwadela ukuthi okay sokhona abangcono kanti wafail ukunderstand ukuthi bengisasephakathi
ishintshile, ne?
impilo
Yeah.
iyashintsha maphumela
Yeah.
ngaphandle
Yeah.
yabo angeke kufane naphakathi manje ngine freedom ngine space sami sengikhona ukubona ngikhona ukwenza izinto esijabulisa mina manje
Yeah.
Yabo.
Azange ijampe lento kuyiboshwa kanjalo ukuthi emfethu lo muntu unencosi ayiyenze etanyana and uyenze nobani.
no amajita yazi
Yeah.
yeah umavusana abonhlwathi
bayihlonipha,
yeah
yeah.
abonhlwathi
Yeah,
bebazi
yeah.
ukuthi hayi umfethu
Okay,
vele
umuntu
yangithola
oso, ne?
umuntu oso
Yeah.
yabo but abantu bebangazi bokwamahada
Okay.
okwamawada
Yeah.
but iwode likwane lokutshela ngaleli elisidudle limhlobo
Yeah.
angeke ngimention
Yeah.
igama
No, right,
belazi
right. Yeah.
yeah she knew that
Okay,
woman and
yeah.
bobona ukuthi lo muntu lo the way uyayihloniphisa naye right yabo
Oh.
uyayihloniphisa kakhulu
Yeah.
futhi shuthi
Oh.
kwaba isecret ukuthi angeke silobe isikhuluma noma kanjani nje
Yeah.
yangithola asihloniphe right ngile
Yeah.
yeah
Yabona kahle hle sile genge bawenza izinto I remember nyawuthi yami uTamati incosi yakhe wayenzela ngale yazalelwe eLondon yaba ne-citizenship yangala
Yangala.
so incosi mayikanje izalelwe edanyane hey mara niqayekisa incosi hey yabona ubustodi enye
Mara,
into
okay mara skimpela
Isimo.
isimo ne I mean akekho umuntu oplanayo ukuthi uyomithela va khona abantu abamithele ema-toilet
Hey.
khona abantu abamithele egangeni
Hey,
khona
hey,
abotsheri
emotweni.
abamithele ey'motweni khona abantu abamithiswa ama-rape awuthi yami you don't plan ukuthi uzomithela va uma umithi umithi uNkulunkulu usuke akubusise ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kuyobe kuyisikhathi sakho sokumitha ngalelo langa lelo that encounter leyo uzobe umithi yeah so you don't choose ukuthi namhlanje ngifuna ukuyomithela esantini ema-building yabo emashidini amhlophe no you don't
Hey.
yeah kuyintando kaNkulunkulu bro wami
Yeah. Mawufuneka utholakala kanjani? I know people they always have interest. Kunomuntu ohleli mhlawumbe uphusha ibhese no. And bayayizwa I think line of March ohamba ngayo and nesinye isipano sichunayo. Bayafuna ukuthi ba reach out bakhona ukunithola. Mhlambe kuma socials wakho kanjalo ukuphi. That is if you don't mind to share. Ngoba kaningi it's overwhelming. Unokufika ushida edenge, hey bazongena ba DM,
Yeah.
bafuna amajalanti. Hey labantu
Yeah.
bafika bafuna ukudunuza. Ngiyabazi phela. Hey banokuyisusa.
no sobafaka
Yeah.
sobafaka ayikho indoda enganasikali mani mthimbane mani Mr Lukhele ayikho indoda enganasikali kumele sibafake mfethu.
Awubanga kahle. Asibagaya ama socials sivale.
yeah no sibafake no ulinda amazi Facebook yami it's Linda Mazibi go straight TikTok sithando lwethu nzima _ bese zithi nzima _ ku Twitter and Instagram.
Danke siyabonga. That's how we wrap it up. Hey le episode ngiyayicabanga ukuthi abaningi abanye bayale ubheke nalomuntu ohleli naye ubukele naye uthi now what if ubuya la basayobuza abaningi now uyenzile lento le now ufakile amajalantiya now uyacheat now umphe umuntu unokungena ku Facebook ufuna iboshwa uNkulunkulu anenze kahle ngiyaninqanywa ke our aim is to make sure ukuthi we educate we teach and we have fun keep well and stay blessed.